in Arezzo. And we did a good job just to try to find out how to do things because we were not aware of how to do things together. We were, as I told you, we were usually doing things alone. And from doing nothing for 4 years, this is all of what we have done this year, starting January 2008. 6th of January, the warm-up mapping park in Pavia, then Arezzo, then Perugia, 2 days during a GFOS meeting, then in Milano, which is very important, and I will talk about that, to see the city again in our free map. Some data, this is Milano 1 year ago. You see there is basically nothing. And this is Milano now. I have a few data about the planet. We started 15 megabytes on the 4th of July 2007, and then 20, and then 65, and then France. There is a threshold of 25 contributions, so I just cut out users having done less than 25 contributions. So we more than quadrupled our user base in 1 year, in half a year, from December 27. And this is the kilometers of mapped road in north, center, south, and the island, from May to July, so just in 3 months. Islands, mainly because of the mapping of Sardinia, it has been more than double. This should be something for next year. We have few data coming in from ISTAT, which is our government office for statistical data. We have some regional data as well, and maybe we are going to be able to get our hands on some free area photos. And we are also as well working on our implementation of maps just for Italy with some local flavor. That's it. If you want to short movie last year, which it's in Italian, but it has English subtitle.
Sì, anch'io l'ho messo nel sito web dei Nipoti. Più o meno è come
E va bene, non tutti parlano di sistemi informativi territoriali, ma i sistemi informativi territoriali parlano di tutti noi, delle case che abitiamo, delle strade che percorriamo, dell'ambiente che viviamo. GFOS.it, l'Associazione Italiana per l'Informazione Geografica Libera, promuove l'uso e la diffusione di sistemi informativi territoriali basati su software e dati liberi. Visita il sito www.gfos.it per saperne di più.